This episode of 2-Minute Tech is going to show you a simple way to integrate video and animation in Keynote to really jazz up your presentation. Let's face it, presentations aren't always fun for the audience, but they can be. A great way to engage with your audience is to add some motion and some drama to your topic by creating a great-looking movie-style title slide or transition slide. Don't these slides look great? It's really simple to make these. All you need is Apple's stellar Keynote program, a video that somehow relates to your topic, and a little Hollywood creativity. Let's get started. I'm putting together a video about an email productivity tip called Inbox Zero. For the title slide, I want to convey a sense of the fast-paced, anxiety-provoking world that can be email. I thought a time-lapse video of traffic would provide this message well, and I've got that video right here on my desktop. I've already got Keynote open, and I'm going to add this video to Keynote simply by dragging the video to a blank slide. Alternatively, I could select Insert, Choose, and I could select it from anywhere on my computer. Go ahead and make the video fill the entire screen, and then get yourself a rectangle. Make the rectangle kind of long and thin, and then set it on the screen somewhere that you like. You can go ahead and change the color to fit with your theme of your video. At this point, I'm ready to go ahead and get some text on my slide. Inbox Zero. And of course, I'm going to make the text larger, and I'm going to match that color I used before. There we go. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some subtext down here, and I'm going to call it cleaning up your email. And I'm going to go ahead and make that a little larger. And tweak the color. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now I get to channel my inner movie director and get the animations going. So now I'm ready to start my animations. I'm going to go ahead and go full screen for this just to make it a little bit easier for me. I've got 4 items that I need to add some motion, some animation to. I've got the video, of course. I've got this rectangle in the center, and I've got my 2 text items. So I'm going to click on the animate button up here, and I'm going to go down to the build order, and I can see that my video is already on there. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to start that after transition. So basically it will start automatically. So now I want this rectangle to come in, and so I'm going to click on the rectangle, and I want to build that in. So I'm going to say add effect, and the one I'm looking for is where it kind of starts in the center and spreads out. So just like that. I'm going to go ahead and add in a text effect as well. So I'm going to add that in, and I want that one just to dissolve in. I think that's fine. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one. So now if I go down to my build order, now basically I get to say how I want things to happen and when. So I've got that one starting automatically. That's my video. The rectangle, I want it to start with the video. So I'm going to say with that build one. And the first piece of text, I want to go after the rectangle comes in. And then the last piece of text, I'm going to say after the Inbox Zero text comes in. So now, if I hit play, I should have a pretty nice looking video. So I'm going to hit play. There we go. That looks really good. So I'm ready to keep building my slides now because I'm just in a standard presentation program, and I can go from there. So again, this is a great little tip just to add some visual interest to your presentations. Obviously there's your title slide, but then any transition slides where you're kind of moving from one topic to the next could certainly use this effect as well. So I hope you find that helpful and that you enjoy it.